Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Direction. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Mzini the family from the 13th to the 17th of April 2026 on Monday. A long buried murder resurfaces, forcing Ushaka to confront the past during Zakhele's retirement party. Duduzile learns from imprisoned Panyaza that he is Shaka's biological father. On Tuesday, Duduzile plans to tell Shaka that Panyaza is his biological father, arranging to take him to prison. The confession is delayed when Zakhele announces Ushaka as Mzini's new equity partner on Wednesday. Bandile turns to Shaka to save the all-white part lineup. Duduzile takes Shaka to prison where he learns that Panyaza, who took the 4 years ago, is his biological father on Thursday. Shaka blames Panyaza and Duduzile for letting him suffer the consequences of their past. Duduzile reveals she chose Panyaza over Zakhele and they plan to steal Molondwa money to start a new life on Friday. Bandile runs a DNA test using Shaka and Zakhele's toothbrushes, confirming that Shaka is not Zakhele's son. Fearing Panyaza could expose the truth, Shaka orders Mgijimi to kill him before he is released. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.